channel. You're here again at Learn with Katie, and today I'm going to be teaching you something about tech. So we are going to discuss tech stuff today. Alright, so if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you do by clicking on the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new video is up, then just click the bell button as well. So today I'll be teaching you some 10 common hacks that you may have been using already, or good if you haven't, so at least you got it from me. Alright, these are simple stuff, nothing to break your heads or nothing that would make you bang your head on the wall. So the first one would be related to YouTube, alright? Okay, now we're here in YouTube, and what I'm going to do is to choose a video. This is the first hack, or kind of a tech stuff that I'll be teaching you today. And let me choose one, and let me just lower down the volume at this point, so that if you're wearing a headset, then you don't break your eardrums. So let me click this video. Alright, currently it's muted, so I'm gonna unmute that. But if you're fond of using the keyboard on your computer, just press the M key and the video will be muted. So if you want to listen to the video again, press the M key again and you'll have the sound back. Alright, now the next one will be pausing the video, just in case you want to go pee or you want to talk to someone and you don't want to miss anything on your video. Then what you can do is to press the letter K on your keyboard and your video will be paused. If you want to return back to the video at the very same time that you actually stopped or paused, then press the letter K again on your keyboard to continue. So let me just mute it so it doesn't interfere with what I'm saying. Alright, so as you can see, the video is continuing by looking at the timer right here, but you cannot hear anything because we muted that. Now the next one is adjusting the volume. I don't want to do that right now, but you can try it on your end. What you need to press is just the arrow up or arrow down on your keyboard, and that should do the trick. Now the next hack that I'm going to teach you is for Mac users out there. So the second hack that I'm going to teach you is the spotlight search. So you just click on the spotlight search icon, which is on the upper right corner of your screen. Click that, and that can be your calculator. If you are lazy enough to go to your launch pad and launching the calculator, then the spotlight search could do the trick. So let's try 5 times 5 equals 25. It's gonna show you the result. Now the next one that I'm going to be teaching you is the emoji axis. Who doesn't love emojis? Now here is what we are going to do. You have to press Control Command plus the space bar if you are using a Mac. Alright, and then you can then see the emoji panel. So let's try that right now. So Control Command plus the space bar, and here's the emoji panel. You can now search for your favorite emoji and you can copy that, or you can use that immediately if you are typing onto something. And if you are using a PC, what you need to do is just to click on, let's say for example, you're typing here, just right click and then left click on emoji and symbols, and your emoji and symbols will appear. There you go. Again, for Mac users, just that's Control Command plus the space bar. And for Chrome users on the PC, you just have to go to a space wherein you can type something, right click, and then you can see emoji and symbols on the drop down menu. Alright, now let's go to our fourth hack, and that's word definitions on a Mac. Alright, let's say Powtoon. Okay, now let's click powtoon.com and let's highlight a word. Now we highlighted awesome, and let's pretend we don't know what the meaning of awesome is. So what we need to do is just to right click on it. Alright, and then we can right click and left click on lookup awesome, and then the definition will appear. You will see dictionary, and you can see the thesaurus. You can even see how it is pronounced, and you can see if it's a verb, a noun, adjective, whatsoever, it's there. If this is the first time that you heard about this or you haven't read about this before, just type in the comments box your favorite feature, okay? If it's emoji access, just type emoji, or just type your favorite emoji. You can try that. Go to the comments box. All right, now let's pretend we accidentally closed Powtoon and we want it back. What we need to do is to press Command, the Shift key, plus a T, and the tab that was closed will open again. That's exactly what you need to do for a Mac machine. And if you are using a PC, you just need to press Control and then the Shift key plus the letter T on your keyboard, and you will get your tab back. Okay, how amazing is that? Now let's go to the 6th hack. Convert YouTube videos to GIF. So let's say, for example, we have this. So let's just reopen the video. And I'm going to stop that. And then what you need to do is add the letters GIF before YouTube and see what happens. Ta-da! Now the GIF editor will be opened. And this is how you can create GIF files from a YouTube video. I'm going to create a separate tutorial on how you can create GIF files using this editor, and I hope you watch out for that. And if you are excited, let me know. If there are other GIF editors that you know right now, please write in the comments box below so I'll know as well, because I don't know everything and I wanted to learn from you as well. Okay, now let's go on to our 7th hack. This is not exactly a hack, but well, if you are inundated with accounts that you don't need anymore, what you need to do is just to go to accountkiller.com. Say you don't want your Facebook account anymore. You can find the instructions here. So the whitelisted, like Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Hotmail, MSN, or Google, all these accounts can be deleted quite easily. If the ease of service is gray, that means it's in the middle of being easy and difficult. Netflix is one of the difficult accounts to remove, as well as Tinder. So be careful when you have accounts on those, because you will have a hard time deleting your accounts there. Now, you might ask, why do these websites make it hard for you to delete your accounts? It's because of one thing. It's customer retention. So they want you to stay on their platform. That's why they're making it too difficult for you to leave and remove your account. So if you wanted to delete your, let's say, WhatsApp account, let's click on that. Accountkiller.com will actually give you the instructions on how to do that. So that's basically what the purpose of this website is. So keep this handy if you might need to delete some of your internet accounts, and they will give you instructions. Now, for some whitelisted websites, it's really easy to delete it. Some websites that are gray or black, maybe there's no link to delete your profile, but you might need to send them an email to remove your profile for you. So just choose whatever is the platform that you want your account to be removed, and the instructions will be given to you if you access this website. Okay? All right. Now, next is about searching images on Google. I get it. Sometimes it's really tempting to just search for images or anything, then use it on our designs. But hey, remember that not everything on Google, not everything you find on Google is free or is copyright free for that matter. So you have to be very, very careful before using anything for your design, especially if you're getting financial gains from those designs. So Here's a little trick that I will teach you about checking if your photo or if the image that you got from Google is copyright free. After clicking on images, click on tools, okay, and here you will see usage rights. Just click on that and choose labeled for reuse with modification. So what this exactly means is that you can reuse the images that you will see right after we click this, and you can modify them and you can use them for your projects. Nifty, right? Okay, so you can use any of the stuff that you see here, and they are for free, and they don't usually, the copyright is for Creative Commons. So if you are unsure of the copyright, just go to the FAQ, or let's choose one so I can guide you. Let's choose this one and click it. It says it's a free image from pixabay.com, and it's free for commercial use and no attribution is required. So that means you can use this. In fact, I'm gonna download it because I like it. Alright, so I'm not a robot. Download. Okay, it's downloading now, so I'm just gonna wait until it completely downloads. All right, now let's go to the 9th tip that I'm sharing with you. It's finding the perfect username, and I have to go to namecheck.com, and this will appear. Now, if you are confused and you are not sure about what the perfect username would be, or what to put as your domain and stuff like that, then this is a very friendly website for you. Let's say, for example, I wanted to search if say Eurasian Mama. Let's see if it's still available. So it's all green, and that means EurasianMama.com is still available, EurasianMama.net is still available, and stuff like that. It's not available on Instagram. It's available on Facebook and Twitter, as well as YouTube, but it's not available on Pinterest as well. So if you are targeting to be a social media manager and you wanted to build your portfolio, it might not be a good idea to pick this username because you cannot claim it on Instagram and Pinterest anymore, right? So try to think about other names, type it on here and test it, and you're on your way to having your own brand on social media. Great, right? So we'll come to the end part of our hacks for today, and the last one would be finding your password. So let's open another tab here in Google Chrome, and then what you need to do to find your password, if in case you ask Google to remember your password but you wanted to use that in another browser, like say for example, like me, I also use Safari and I can't remember my password. So what I need to do is just to type in Chrome :2/ settings, and then another / and then passwords, and Google Chrome will show me all the passwords for the accounts with the password that were saved on Google Chrome. So if you wanted to view your passwords, just type this Chrome :2/ settings / passwords, and then click on this icon right here, and your computer will ask you for your laptop or your desktop password, and then you can access the passwords that you saved so you can use it in another browser, that is. So I hope you learned something new from all the things that I mentioned to you today. I've shared 10 shortcuts or 10 hacks or 10 tips, whatever you call it. Use them. It's gonna improve your productivity for sure. So if you have any questions or if you have any requests for topics that you want me to discuss in the future, let me know and I'll be here to help you out. Thank you so much again for visiting my channel, and don't forget to comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow